Hi guys, it's me again with another video. Today happened to be at the park, and I parked not too far away from here, and I could hear water running, so I decided to go over here and check it out. And it's like a weird stream thing going on. I'm not really sure what, but it goes into like a underground, maybe sewage system or something like that. So I decided I'm gonna go on top to see where the water is coming from. So hope you guys like this mini video I'm about to make right now. Like always, stay tuned. I'm not really sure if you could hear the water, the sounds that it's making, but I do like the sound of running water. I don't know if you could see where the water is heading to. But I don't know. Oh, okay. As you can see on top, I don't know what that is really. If it's a dam, or I'm not even sure where the water is coming from. But I'm kind of exploring right now, just for you guys, a mini video. Oh, that's so weird. Maybe the water is beneath the grass. I'm not really sure. But I'm just gonna take a few steps up to that bridge to see what's going on. So I can hear water running. Not really sure what's going on up here, but as you can see, there's a... Oh, wow. I do love the sound of running water. So I guess this is where it's coming from, and it runs all the way over there. Not really sure where it starts. So as you can see, this park is quite beautiful. This is kind of like my first time being here, but whenever I hear the sounds of running water, I get kind of excited, and I just wanted to explore. So I decided to make a mini video real quick with my phone, just for you guys. That is so relaxing right there. As I said, guys, this is supposed to be a mini video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment below. And like always, thank you for watching. This is nature, the park. So I decided to ask some questions, and it turns out we are at a nature trail, and I'm not really sure how far it goes. I'm already here, so I'm gonna try to do as much exploring as I can. Oh, that's the sun. Nature is so beautiful, don't you think? Don't forget to subscribe.